Python tutorial series, the ultimate series. This is the agenda for the series. What is Python? Why Python? Installation, setup, and code. What will you learn in this series? You will learn the basics of Python like numbers, data types, strings, methods, boolean conditionals, if else, elif, loops, data structures, functions, built in functions, and we will be looking at the surprise project 1. Then we will be looking at the class and objects surprise project 2, modular programming, debugging and error handling, iterators, generators, decorators. Then we will move on to testing with Python, intro to SQL, regular expressions with Python, then web scraping, at last the surprise project 3. After this series, you will be an more expert. You will gain more expertise in Python. So, last and final request from my side. Please subscribe my channel. What is Python? Python is a general purpose scripting language used for any purpose you can think of, like web development, desktop app development, and app development, etc. It can also do machine learning, deep learning, and all the industry trends. Python is easy to use, free, and open source.